In this problem, we're going to expand the limits when h tends to 0. First, we're going to expand this with the formula a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, 5 squared plus 2ab squared minus 25 over h.
Now that we have expanded the problem, we have to cancel the like terms. This 25 with this positive 25, it's cancelled. And then you have 10h plus h squared over h. Here you can pull out an h and you are left with 10 plus h over h. You cancel these two h's and then your answer will be 10 plus h. And here it says that h tends to be 0, so you substitute 10 plus 0 equals 10. And your final answer needs to be written as limit when h tends to be 0 equals 10. That will be your final answer.
First, you need to get your tangent line when x equals 1, so you replace your 1 on your x.
Now we're going to find n, which is the slope, and to find that we have to find the derivative of this using the formula. It's n, which is the exponent, times u to the n minus 1, which is the exponent minus 1, times u prime, which is the derivative of what is inside the parentheses. So you have to find first u to x minus 1, then u to the prime, which is to find the derivative of this. So here you have an imaginary exponent of 1, so 1 times 2, 2, and then 1 minus 1, 0. So it's like that. And here you don't have a variable, so this cancels to 0. So it's just 2. And then you have n, which is the exponent, 3, and n minus 1, which is 2. Now you have to plug it into the formula, which is 3 times, don't forget to put this number in the formula as well, times 3 to the x, 2x minus 1, then n minus 1, so this squared, then u prime, which is 2 times 2. The first thing you have to do is multiply this, which is the exponent, times u prime, and this gives you 6 times 3 times 2x minus 1 squared. Then the last step is to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18, and then you have your answer equals f to 1. So it's f prime equals 18 times 2x minus 1 squared. Now that you have this, to find n, you need to substitute the x into the x in this formula. So it would be 18 times 2 times 1 minus 1 squared, no, see, minus 1 squared equals f of 1. And this gives you 18, 2 minus 1 squared, and then it's going to be 18, 1 squared, and this gives you 18. So your m is equal to 18.
Now we need to use another formula to get your final answer. The formula you're gonna use is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. You're gonna plug in your numbers that you got in your formula. Y minus 3 equals 18 times x minus 1. And you do distributive property. 18x minus 18. And then you pass your negative 3 to the other side. 18x minus 18 plus 3. That is minus 15. And this is your final answer.